Hello, my people. Welcome back to my page. A mass at 7 degrees Celsius and 70 centimeter of mercury has a volume of 100 centimeter cube. Determine its volume at 27 degrees Celsius and the pressure of 85 centimeter of mercury. So let's say solution. Now the first one is what? T1. That is 7 degrees Celsius. So when you're given temperature under Celsius, you have to convert it to what? Kelvin by adding 273. So with this, I will have what? 280 degrees Kelvin. Now the next dimension here is what? Volume V1. Sorry, another thing is measured is what? P1. And P1 is 70. We have V1 as 100 centimeter cube. So the next thing we have here is what? T1, T2. T2 as what? 27 plus 273. I will having 300 degrees Kelvin. Right? So we have another one. P2 as what? 85. Now the next thing is what? V2. That is what? Unknown. Because they say determine is what? Volume. So with this, I will have the formula P1 V1 over T2 over T1. Will now give me P2 V2 over T2. So when we do cross and multiply, we now have P1 V1 T2. Will now give us okay, T1 V2 V2. So we have V2 as P1 V1 T2 divided by T1 V2. So with this, I will now have that my P1 is what? 70 multiplied by V2 as what? 100 multiplied by T2 as what? 300. All divided by T1 as 280 multiplied by 85. So we now have that V2 will now be, when we do cross and multiply, we have what? 882.30 centimeter cube. Thank you.